This is Eric Galanti with CBIZ Gibraltar Real Estate. I wanted to give you just a quick update on the office space market across the U.S. and some trends that we thought you'd be interested in. Markets across the U.S. remain very soft, very tenant favorable. Vacancy has continued to increase, and we expect this trend to continue into 2024 and even into 2025 as well. This will continue because landlords are going to continue getting space back from tenants that occupied space during the pandemic and had long-term leases before COVID. And as they get this space back, they're going to have some holes to fill in their buildings. We really still have not seen a dramatic drop in rental rates because landlords are really trying to hold the valuations of their buildings high, and there's also lender covenants and restrictions on how low their rents can actually go. So that's the reason why we really haven't seen a huge dip, albeit it's been slight in rental rates. Regarding the economy and kind of economic concerns, as uncertainty continues to impact business decisions, it also impacts space needs. So leasing activity has been really increasingly dominated by smaller space commitments since the pandemic. About 60% of the leases signed in 2022 were less than 15,000 square feet, compared to 49% before the pandemic. On the other side of the equation, as it relates to larger deals, only 10% of the leases signed in 2022 were for 100,000 square feet or more, and that's compared to 19% 3 years prior to the pandemic. So while tenants want to take advantage of favorable market conditions, there has been a reluctancy to sign long-term deals. Short-term deals are still being considered by landlords, which was not the case prior to the pandemic in tight marketplaces. But we are still seeing landlords being amenable to shorter-term deals as companies figure out what their overall footprint looks like. All this being said, it continues to be a fantastic time to be a healthy tenant in the market. There are tremendous opportunities to negotiate extremely aggressive deals with large concession packages for tenants that are willing to make long-term decisions. So please contact us here at CBIZ Gibraltar to discuss your space needs. We're here to help, and we appreciate the time.